Servus! Heute bauen wir ein Kajak aus verschiedenen Materialien. Einmal brauchen wir eine Stretchfolie für die Außenhülle, eine kleine Stretchfolie für die Verbindungen, ein paar längere Weidestöcke und ein paar kurze Weidestöcke. Dann lass uns loslegen, bauen wir das Kajak. Viel Spaß dabei! So, die ersten 3 Ringe habe ich gebaut. Einfach hier mit der Folie zugewickelt, dass es schön stramm hält. Das hält auch echt gut. Also bin ich echt überrascht. Und jetzt zeige ich euch, wie es weitergeht. Viel Spaß!
Die 3 Ringe gut miteinander verknoten, weil das ist sehr wichtig, das ist das Skelett des Bootes und das muss wirklich stramm und gut halten.
Die 3 Ringe sind verbunden zu so einer Konstellation und darum bauen wir jetzt unser Boot. Geht wieder weiter. So, das nächste Teil ist fertig. Hier bauen wir die 3er Ringe einmal rein. Dann haben wir das erste Teil schon mal fertig. Und weiter geht's. Ja, jetzt schaut schon aus wie ein richtiges Kajak. Was ich bis jetzt gemacht habe, ich habe einmal dieses große quasi Oval, was ich euch vorhin gezeigt habe, in dieses Dreier-Kombo eingebaut. Dann habe ich noch unten einmal den Rumpf quasi mit diesen Ästen gemacht, dass es quasi schon diese Form hat von einem Kajak. Und jetzt kommen hier an der Seite noch ein paar Zwischenstreben rein. Und dann sehen wir uns gleich wieder.
Back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime way back in 2003. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess, I got a crush on you, darling. Them long tan legs got me falling. And I know we just met, yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth. Oh no, yeah. I wanna take you out on a dance floor, girl. I wanna hear you screaming out for some more, girl. I wanna do something that they call crazy. Call you my baby, my pretty lady. I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset with you daily. Keep my baby safe as we live, always chasing. Hearts racing when I'm with you, I'm just saying. Back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime way back in 2003. I've been chilling on the coast with my homegirl. The palm trees and the time moving slow, girls. Back to my place, hey, you can call it home, girl. Pina coladas on tap, we alone, girl. I want a piece of you, you want a piece of me. Ray-Bans on, gotta block out the heat. I love your smile too.
Nächste Fahrt kann losgehen.
Bring it on, girl, work that body here to me. And I know that some 3 months, yeah. We got the whole world, travel with me, girl. And we'll never stop chasing the sun. That's right. On the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. We can stop anytime you want. Cause we ain't done till we find what we want. But I already found the one. I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind,
der erste Versuch war schon mal nix.
run away to this time back in history. She reminds me
Schöne
of
Eskimorolle.
summertime, way back in 2003. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. Don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeeze till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us.
Seid
Trust your
gespannt auf
gut,
das
I
nächste
can show you what
Abenteuer.
you want.
Dein Domison.
Every
Ciao,
day,
servus.
late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want,